Yeah, we're back. You thought you'd get rid of us, but we're back.
Cycle Snow!
Hey, we've got a surprise for you. Right, look at this. Oh, wait, hold on a second. Recycle Snows, right there. Right there. You want to buy it off me? 100 quid. It's got my name on it, but you know. My nickname, but yeah.
Right. Today, because it's coming up to Christmas, we're going to be doing a few Christmas songs, and the first one is Merry Christmas Everyone by Shakin' Steve, and hope you enjoy.
Here we go. Do you reckon we're going to be off peak, because we haven't done one in a while?
What do you mean?
Well, we haven't done one in a while, so we could be off peak.
What does off peak?
As in, we might not be as good as we used to.
Yeah, that's true.
Last Christmas. I just did that song for our it's on.
Oh my god, should we do that one?
I don't know, we've already stated what we're doing now, haven't we? And we're still watching.
I mean, like...
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Right.
I don't know how this goes, you know.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone.
And parties, and I fucked up, and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe and kiss that guy and like snow is swaying, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. Oh, I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. So done. Oh wait, straight back down. Yeah, we're just doing straight back down. I should really pay attention. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss that candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling, it's dragging all around me. Children playing, having fun. Nope, it was it's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Boom. So yeah,
thank you for watching Just Cycle Snows and my little sister Sophia. And Merry Christmas, everyone!
Yeah, Merry Christmas!